So on this lovely day, here's Cullen. It's been raining a bit. We're walking around in this little place here. Cullen found this Keystone Light. And it's a little fucked up, as you can see. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take Rapids plus Keystone Light can and a little bit of force and gravity just to see what happens. This may shock some of you. No, it won't. I'm kidding. You want to drop it, Cullen?
Sure.
Oh, shit! Holy crap, that went fast!
Oh, it's back.
That went fast!
Yeah.
I want to go swimming now.
A little
Holy
bit.
shit, we gotta go down there and get a closer view of the waves. Or currents. What? Oh yeah, over here, it's like more destroyed.
Oh, fuck.
Yeah, look at that steady stream right there. This is like 4 times this river's natural size. Or normal size, I mean. This is ridiculous.
Don't drop your phone.
I'm fucked if I drop my phone.
Yeah.
Come on. We need to get a better look at some of the rapids down here. Cars up there, car right there, and walk.
That's where you get hit.
Yeah. Oh shit, look at it.
Yeah, I know, I see it.
Oh.
On the camera part can't see it.
Yeah. You can't see it, but there are little distinguishing lines where, oh no, you can see it. That's so cool, huh? Little distinguishing lines. Oh, I can't zoom in on here, but look it. You can see it, kind of.
Not really.
There's a bit of a rainbow. It looks on the camera. It looks like there's a bit of a rainbow on the camera. Hold tight. Shut up. What? I have no idea what you said. I'd like to see Fleeger slide under there now.
Yeah, I know.
Here.
Let's watch pain. Up, up. Oh,
And yes, I am wearing a beanie. Don't judge me.
Manly men.
Whoop. Whoopsie.
Throw my phone in your pocket.
Yeah. Coden's phone is a Hulk.
Yep.
Big, fat, and stupid. I'm so scared one of these rocks is just gonna like give way. Oh. Get out of my way, Cullen. Get out of my way, bro.
Yeah. In there, went from paper thin, probably about like that deep.
Yeah, you can usually walk down these tunnels.
Without even getting water in your shoes.
This is ridiculous.
What the hell? What is that?
What is what?
That? That's weird.
I kind of don't want to know.
Yeah, a little bit. I kind of wish we could go into those tunnels, but
I kind of wish
I
we
don't
could
wanna
go
get
swimming. Okay, let's take off. A little. Let's take off. Why?
Check it out.
We have to hop an even bigger gate to get over there, Cullen.
We don't.
No, I don't want to.
Oh, I got stabbed.
Do you really want to hop back over that gate?
You don't.
I don't.
Camera still going?
Yeah, the camera's still rolling. And now I'm videotaping you Admitting defeat. Cullen, say I do not want to walk over there because the gate is too high. Say it.
Look how small that gate is.
Cullen, say I do not want to walk over there because the gate is too high.
What? I can't hear you. I have my headphones in.
Cullen's being a little dick right now.
Just a little.
Just a little? No, a huge one.
This is mushy. Oh, ho, ho.
Holy shit, that's water. That is water. Flager! Shut up.
Ow, why?
Don't yell. Up the stairs. Hurry up, I don't want to be staring at your ass.
You?
The spiral staircase. Who the fuck is that? That's Fleeger. That's who that is. Creepy hooded man. Oh, Fleeger. Alright, see, there's the short guy. There he is. I've been videotaping for like 6 minutes now. It's 6:30. What are you doing? Pika, Pikachu!
Huh?
Tell everybody to fuck off, Fleeger.
What?
Tell everybody to fuck off, Fleeger.
Everyone to fuck off.
Tell everybody to fuck off, Fleeger.
Fuck off.
You are a horrible person.